Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a little different than what all the videos that I keep making. So I make videos, as you know, about food, lifestyle and stuff. But today's video is a little more serious, and I think it's for all those people who are in a situation that I was last year in. So I think it is very important that I share with all of you what my NEET journey has been like and what I learned in that journey. And after giving NEET, how did I feel, and what all are the tips and tricks that I can give you from my perspective, from my journey that I've learned. So this is what the video is going to be about. So this will be very raw, unfiltered. If I make some mistakes, please ignore it, because I'm not gonna edit this, I'm not gonna cut anything out of this. It's just gonna be like a conversation between you guys and me. So let's get started. So first off, I would like to tell you guys what my NEET journey was like. So from the very beginning, like I think I had decided it while I took science that I will be giving NEET. So I had that plan in my mind, but I was very confused as to if I want to do MBBS or if I want to do BDS or if I want to go into other healthcare stuff. But one thing I was sure of, that I will give NEET, because no matter what happens, you have the chance of doing whatever you want if you've given NEET, right? So from the highest to the, it's not like highest to lowest, but like from the most tough ones to get into to the most easier ones. So you have the option to go into every field. So my NEET journey was actually not that tough in 11th, because I took it very lightly. I didn't start preparing, I didn't go to any coaching. I have not taken any coaching, guys. Whatever I did was on my own. And in 11th I didn't take any coaching. Even in 12th, that is second PUC, I had no coaching whatsoever, and I used to prepare from YouTube. And then I used to just keep reading biology all the time. Okay, now comes the part when boards were over, and after that I had 2 months left. So I had thought by this time my plan was ready that I don't want to go for MBBS. I know it's a shocking thing, and you guys would be like, how? But then I had already decided that I want to do BDS and not MBBS. And my prime goal by the end of my boards was to get good marks enough for me to get into a government college. But we have only one government college in Bangalore, that is Government Dental College. In Karnataka there are only two. So private colleges for BDS are many. Now let's skip to the part where I thought that I need a little bit of coaching at least. So I joined this crash course at Allen, and I was grinding myself, you guys. Like even after boards I was studying hard, and chemistry and physics were the parts which were tough, which is for every NEET aspirant, I think. And so biology was never a problem for me, and biology was my passion. That is how I ended up into this field. So biology is never a problem for any NEET aspirant, for that matter. The problem comes with physics most of the times, and chemistry. But for me, physics was not a bigger problem than chemistry. Chemistry was the biggest problem for me. I could not solve inorganic chemistry problems, and organic I could not memorize. It was a big mess, you guys. And it was tough, it was tough for me to go through this entire journey. So when I started going to Allen, I was literally grinding myself. Like I used to be in Allen from 7 till 1, and after 1 there were extra classes, but I didn't attend those. Like they didn't take classes as such. They told us to solve papers and show it to them, and all that stuff used to happen. But I used to come home and then sit and study the entire day, all this while I had the month of Ramadan going on. So I was fasting, and then I had to go for coaching, and then I had to study the entire day, solve papers, lot of things. And I know that my journey is comparatively easier than a lot of you guys out there. But those 2 months, I had given it all, you guys. I had given my 110%, I can say. I was literally into this. I knew that I wanted this and I was ready to take it. And I literally worked very hard in those 2 months. I know I didn't do much in those 2 years, but what I did in those 2 months, I think I was very happy with how much ever I had worked. Then once that happened, I used to practice only PYQs because my time was short. I had no time to practice extra questions. I used to give tests, the Allen tests that happened. I used to solve papers. I did a lot of things. Okay, as I told you, I gave it my all. I gave it my 100%. Then coming to the day of NEET. Actually, let's come to the night before NEET. So I had a lot of topics pending, you guys. I didn't even know if I know anything or not. You will feel like you don't know anything, but trust me, guys. Believe in yourself that yes, you do know it because you have worked hard. आपने बहुत मेहनत की है. Like आप लोगों से कई लोग होंगे जिन लोगों ने मुझसे ज़्यादा मेहनत की है. And I didn't work that hard like for 2 years. So मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझसे ज़्यादा मेहनत बहुत लोगों ने की है. And I think मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. I don't know if I'm ready to take this exam. That was my thought process the night before NEET. और last year NEET था on 7th of May. This year it's 5th of May. I know you guys are very anxious, but trust me, the day before NEET you will feel like तुम्हें कुछ नहीं आता है, but you know it all. उस रात को please don't take stress. Please just relax. Just have good food, proper food, stay hydrated and sleep. This is what everybody will say, and I know that this is what you should do. But I also know that you will, feel very anxious and nervous and whatnot. Sorry. But please do remember that you have worked hard and it will be fine. So these are the extra precautions that you have to take. I can relate with the feelings that you will get. Even from now, many of you will be getting these kind of feelings, thinking I don't know anything, मुझे कुछ आता नहीं है, मैंने कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है. But that is not the case. Trust me. फिर coming to the day of NEET. तो जब मेरा NEET का डे आया था, I was really prepped up. I had prayed a lot that day, guys. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा प्रे किया था. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा रिवाइज किया था बैठ के while reaching my center. And please एक बार before leaving your house, please make sure you've taken everything that is needed. The passport size photograph, the postcard size photograph, the admit card, everything. Just check everything twice. And if you have chosen to not follow the dress code, just like I had, please reach before whatever time they've written. It doesn't really matter because everyone comes before time, okay? So it doesn't matter, but you should reach before time. So that happened. Then I went there. I went before time itself. And I got myself checked. I went and sat in the classroom before 1.5 hours of the beginning of the paper. I know it is, and that time was the worst time. But at that time, don't freak out. Okay, you know what you should do at that time? Just start recollecting whatever you know. Start recollecting the formulae. Okay, and then just keep it in your head. Like memory में रखो कि ये फॉर्मूले थे. बिकॉज बायो में यू डोंट नीड टू रिवाइज. ट्रस्ट मी, जब क्वेश्चन तुम्हारे सामने आएगा यू विल नो कि इसका आंसर क्या है. अनलेस इट इज़ वेरी टफ, दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग. एंड देन जस्ट रिकलेक्ट ऑल द फॉर्मूले फ्रॉम केमिस्ट्री, फ्रॉम फिजिक्स मेनली. केमिस्ट्री के लिए डोंट फ्रीक आउट इफ यू कांट रिमेंबर समथिंग. जब क्वेश्चन आएगा ऑर्गेनिक का, जस्ट तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ जाएगा, डोंट फ्रीक आउट, ठीक है। एंड वंस द पेपर इज़ इन योर हैंड, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू कि आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. You want to start with biology, start with biology. If you don't want to start with it, you want to start with physics, start with physics. Do whatever you want to, ठीक है. डोंट फ्रीक आउट. तो इधर मेरा टिप्स का सेक्शन स्टार्ट हो गया गाइस. सॉरी फॉर जंपिंग फ्रॉम माई जर्नी टू द टिप्स का सेक्शन. So we'll finish off the tips now, and then I'll tell you what happened after that and stuff. So read the questions very 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 carefully, like बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना, 2 बार पढ़ना हर एक क्वेश्चन को, and then see the options बहुत ध्यान से. Also this mistake, please do not make this mistake कि तुमने कोई क्वेश्चन स्किप किया है तो उस क्वेश्चन के नंबर पे तुमने दूसरे क्वेश्चन का ऑप्शन मार्क कर दिया. प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल कि आप किस क्वेश्चन के OMR शीट पे मार्क कर रहे हैं. इफ़ यू डू नॉट मेक श्योर कि आपने करेक्टली मार्क किया है, लिटरली एवरीथिंग विल गो रॉन्ग. आई एम नॉट स्केयरिंग यू, बट आई एम टेलिंग इट इन सच अ हार्श वे कि आपके दिमाग में रहे ये बात. ओके, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस. एंड you know that there is a lot of negative marking. Please do not mark a question if you're not sure. Don't mark it. Don't mark it. ठीक है, एक जगह +4 हो रहा है, आई नो, पर what if -5 हो गया? सोचो ना. नेगेटिव मार्किंग है तो सोचो थोड़ा सा. अगर तुमको 90% श्योर है तो ठीक है, एक बार यू कैन डू इट. पर अगर नहीं है श्योर, प्लीज़ डोंट मार्क इट, बिकॉज आई हैव done this mistake. I'm telling you from my own mistakes. Last year chemistry was pretty tough, okay, and in that I knew many questions. मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे पता है, but it was asked in a twisted manner. I have literally got so many negative markings, you guys. You have no idea about it. And then what else? Then once you're done with the paper, I'm sure 3 घंटे में till the end you will be solving, because physics time लेता है. It is time consuming. So I think you will be solving till the last moment. So physics का last year it was pretty easy, okay. Like मैंने जो भी पढ़ा था, whatever I marked, correct ही था mostly. So and biology also, it was easy. It was not tough. तो so I did my best. बहुत एंशियस होते सब कुछ करते करते मेरा पेपर हो गया था. Also please take water with you. Keep having water while you are writing your paper, because when you are hydrated, when you are sipping on water, you are more calm रहो, and don't freak out if you don't know any question. It's okay, because at the end अगर तुम्हें नहीं आ रहा है तो बहुत लोगों को नहीं आ रहा होगा. ये बात भी है, दिमाग में रखो. Then that was done. You stay hydrated, stuff. These tips anybody will give you, पर जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. तो when I went there and I sat, I was really anxious. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था. I was overthinking. All that stuff was happening to me. Very natural, सबके साथ होता है. But one thing you should remember is nothing is the end of the world. Okay, nothing is the end of the world. I know it is very easy to say for now, but trust me, everything falls into place. Whatever is there, it's written, you will get it. And if you worked hard for it, you will पक्का get it. ये 100% बात है. Trust me on this. And once everything is done, just leave it up to God. It will be done. हो जाएगा, ठीक है. And then after I had done my paper, मेरा इतना अच्छा नहीं गया था. okay, it was not that good कि मुझे गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज मिल सके. and I knew that for a fact. और I was really heartbroken because I didn't expect that, because I had worked hard. तो बुरा तो लगता है, but there were so many people whom I saw and they were so happy with the paper. So there are always 2 sides of a coin, and अगर आपको पॉजिटिव साइड पे रहना है, then please don't make the mistakes that I made. and also trust your mehnat, trust the hard work that you've put in. Okay, so then this happened and then I checked with the answer key, so मुझे rough idea मिल गया था कि how many marks I am gonna be getting. So I was sure I'm not getting government college, but I was still hoping if I could get a government seat in any private college, but वो भी नहीं हो पाया था. But it's okay. I mean, I am happy. Wherever I am right now, touch wood, I am very happy, and I think I'm very grateful that I have this with me right now. The dream that I had is what I'm pursuing right now. लास्ट ईयर इसी टाइम पे मैं बहुत एंशियस थी कि मुझे नीट देना है, और इस टाइम पे इस साल आई एम इन अ डेंटल कॉलेज, very happy, and I'm living my dream. So I think everything will be fine, and all the very best to all of you NEET aspirants out there. Please give your best. Whatever happens, just don't lose hope on anything. It will all be fine. You will be fine, and everything is gonna fall in place, and you will get you what you want. You will get it. So all the best to all of you. Here is Arma signing off. और stay hydrated. ठीक है, पढ़ाई कर लो, अभी जो भी है रिविज़न कर लो, and yes, that's about it. 5th May को do it, just do it and ace it. All the best. Bye bye.